Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Good morning to Miss Lidawani and fellow friends. My name is Nur Hafizah binti Nordin. Metric number is 264602. Today I'm gonna present informative speech about taking depression seriously. What is depression in your understanding? How many of you know people have suffered from depression? It is among your family members, friends, or people around you. Nowadays, we need to be an acceptance that depression is a part of our life for now. Many of us experience depression unconsciously, but only in the early stages and treat it immediately. Some of them sometimes did not know that he was suffering from depression. According to Mental Health Handbook, about 264 million people of all ages are depressed in worldwide. The highlight of the topic is we want to go depth about depression. It is serious or it is only the feeling depressed and can be treated. The topic I'll be talking to you is about depression. I will explain what is depression, how it affects your daily life, how depression will affect on your mental and physical, and also the treatment of depression in a good way. Firstly, understanding what depression is and how it affects your daily life. What is depression? Depression or major depressive disorder (MDD) is a normal but grave health problem, generally affecting the mood and behavior. It is fortunately a treatable disorder even though it is a serious condition. Depression can affect the pleasure of yourself significantly life, your career, your well-being, and your health care. Depression affects individuals differently. First, you can still work and take care of everyday life if you have a short-term depression. However, you are more at risk of becoming much more depressed or physically ill if you have a long period of depression and do not seek care at all. Depressive disorder often interferes common activity of everyday life and cause an emotional pain. Many of people who are depressed are not looking for additional help or counseling. According to World Health Organization (WHO), depression affects all types of people in all countries no matter you are young or old, rich or poor, and man or woman. Mostly women suffer from depression compared to men. A number of symptoms can be caused by depression. Symptoms may be persistent or they may come and go. Around 21% of people with a drug problem also suffer from depression. Depression can cause by individual history or mental health, trauma, taking drugs, and many more. Depression can be into several categories depend on the symptom. Two main types of depression: major depressive disorder and persistent depressive disorder. Major depressive disorder, for example, experience 5 or more symptoms over a 2-week period. For example, lost interest, sleeping all day, feeling worthless, and suicide. Persistent depressive disorder, it can affect your life more than major depression because it lasts for a longer year. For example, feel hopeless and low self-esteem. Secondly, depression effect on your body, physical and mental. The ways depression effect on your physical health. A few potential depressive causes physical health by getting pain, stomach upset, fatigue, and restlessness. Here are a few ways this condition can physically affect your body. First is heart attack. Around 1 in 5 people with heart attack have depression immediately after their heart attack. And in those who suffer from heart disease, at least it is prevalent. People with heart disease and depression have a higher risk of death. It can decrease the risk when they eat clean and good lifestyle. Second is insomnia. People with depression may experience insomnia in their sleep pattern. The third is weight changes. The weight of people who have depression go up and down because they may overeat or not enough eat. This condition can cause them feeling exhausted, making difficult to manage themselves. Physical health can lead to an increase of developing mental health problems. 10% of past mental health effect on physical health and 8% of past physical health impact on mental health. There are various ways mental health has been shown to detrimental to physical health. The lifestyle factors can influence on mental health like smoking. Smoking relieves their symptoms but only in short term. Long-term health conditions like cirrhosis. This disease may cause emotional distress and thus may cause more distress. Mental health also causes by biological factors and psychological or social factors. The last is a good way treatment for depression. It can be difficult to live with depression, but medication can improve the quality of life. There are some treatment can help a person with depression. Firstly, psychotherapy. Professionals of mental health will provide therapeutic treatment for depression. They also have many types of psychotherapy, but all of them have the same aim. It is to detect the causes of your depression. Secondly is medication. It can help the most when they are part of an overall treatment program, but it takes time to get well. People under depression also can seek help from family, friends, changes of lifestyle and emotional, not only depend on further treatment. Another anti-depression tips for minor depression, start your day with small goal. Do something that coming out something positive to you. Find a supportive relationship among your family, friends and partner. Sharing the good thing between them. Get enough sleep and do some easy exercise to relax your mind. In the conclusion, I have explained all about depression, how it affects your life and finally a good treatment to you. Although depression is extremely stressful and serious, we should always pay attention against it. Always seek help from families and friends. They can be the most helpful people in your life. Get therapy as soon as possible. Remember, you are the most important in your life. Don't give up easily. You are a strong person. Thank you.